This video is to show you how to install compression fittings on both plastic tubing and copper tubing. For plastic tubing, you need a nut that you slide on first. Then you slide on a nylon ring. The nylon ring is tapered, so you put the tapered side towards the end of the tube. Finally, you need an insert that goes inside the end of the tube. You push the insert in all the way, and it helps to do that against a solid surface. Once the insert is in, you slide the whole tube into the fitting, then you slide the nut onto the fitting threads, start tightening by hand, and finally you use a wrench to turn the nut one more full turn. To take it off, you undo the nut and slide it out. Now, if you purchased a ready-made plastic connector from us, it already comes with a nylon ring, nut, and insert. So all you have to do is to insert the tube, tighten the nut, and then use a wrench, and usually you only tighten half a turn. Now onto copper tubing. Again, you need a nut which you slide onto the tubing, followed by a brass ring. This ring is tapered on both sides, so it doesn't really matter how you slide it on. Slide the tube into the fitting, slide the nut up to the fitting threads, hand tighten, and in this case turn another half turn with a wrench. To undo, you take off the nut. You can see that the tightening caused the brass ring to be squeezed onto the tube, creating a watertight seal. You also can't slide the ring off after you've tightened it. Again, if you purchased a pre-made connector from us, it comes with a nut and ring already installed, and all you have to do is insert it and tighten. And remember, if there is a leak after you pressurize the system, you can always tighten more until the leak stops.